Andre and I have partnered with HBO Max to talk about our favorite DC titles.
Yes.
On HBO Max. All right, so we both picked 3, right? And we're gonna list them out.
Harley Quinn, the new Harley Quinn animated series. Definitely check it out. After you watch Harley Quinn in the Suicide Squad, which is now in theaters and also available for 30 days on HBO Max with a $14.99 ad plan.
Hey.
Seamless transition. I also recommend the Harley Quinn series.
All right, so my first one is gonna be Titans.
Ooh.
Titans season 3. Like the first 2, oh my God. Like you hear some stuff about, Batman and Robin, the conflict between them. And boy, there's some drama. There's some drama in that series. I love the series. So what's your next pick?
All right, we going back to 89, man.
Okay.
We gotta go to that classic Batman, from 1989, Michael Keaton, Jack Nicholson as the Joker. But that Batman, that was like a new Batman. And then that led into Batman Returns, and then that led into Batman the Animated Series, which is so good!
Yes. Okay, so my second one is gonna be Justice League Apocalypse.
Ooh, okay.
Now, this is the culmination of all the years of like the Batman animated series in that DC universe, Flashpoint, a lot of the Justice League. A lot of crap happens. Like Darkseid is back. I'm just saying, it's a lot of stuff, man. Highly recommend that one.
Static Shock, which I actually started rewatching because I watched a lot of episodes when I was younger, but now I get to get the whole series together. That is a great series.
And it holds up.
Definitely.
I definitely do so.
It get real.
Yeah.
It get real.
Speaking of somebody you better not play with.
What's that?
My third pick, Wonder Woman 2017.
Oh yeah.
Okay. That's Gal, coming in and doing her thing, man.
Yeah.
I love Wonder Woman.
I know you love Wonder Woman.
So it's not fair that I can pick only 3 because I really want to say all the Wonder Woman.
All of these DC titles are available and more, as well as just a lot of other stuff that you love. It's on HBO Max, and you can get it for $14.99 a month. But
they also have an ad plan that is $9.99 a month.
HBO Max got the stuff that you love, and definitely got a lot of DC stuff. You're a DC fan. No pluses have DC stuff. Only Maxes. Click the link.
Click the link below. That's all we say. I love DC.
DC rocks.
Yes. Oh, I'm not Superman.
I am the